Hi, I am Kate and welcome to my channel where I share the process of creating ball jointed dolls. In today's video I decided to do something fun. I received the fluffy boucle fabric in my last delivery and I have had several ideas what to do with it. I even made a small poll in my Instagram and thank you for those who voted. And now I am going to make the armchair for my new tiny doll that is 21 centimeters in height. I think that this chair will be a bit small for Barbie-sized dolls or fashion dolls. I will need 4 leather, different kind of the cardboard, the tube as the chair frame. I will use these chips package and the glue. I start with defining the design and measuring the right height for the chair. Typically, the seat in the lounge chair should be under our knees. For my doll it's about 6 centimeters, but I will cut more because there will be layers of different fabric. I cover the top of the tube with a thick cardboard. And I also decided to put a cardboard inside for more shape strength. After that I start creating the needed shape. As a base layer I use the cotton that I will later cover with the mesh fabric. The next layer is the synthetic insulation that I also stick with the glue. After that, I cut out 2 parts of the chair seat and sew it. I decided to not cut the circled pattern because there will be too much of a fabric for the chair and it will look too bulky. Instead, I cut the strip for the side and the circle for the top. I made it a size of the tube because I wanted a smooth edge for the seat. I sew everything together and cover the seat with it. For the bottom, I cut the circle smaller than the tube and cover it with the faux leather. Well, it's time to prototype the back of the armchair. At first I will need to define the shape and then I will cut it from the thick cardboard because I need solid construction. To bend the cardboard, I need to make these shallow cuts. To fix the chair back, I use the thin cardboard. For the upholstery, I use the same layers: the cotton, the synthetic insulation, and the boucle fabric. It looks nice, I like it. I sew the back and the seat together. The last thing to do is to make the cover for the back of the seat. I don't need it to be soft, so I glued several layers of the cardboard together and cut the needed shape. After that, I cover it with the boucle fabric. And then I glue to the seat back as well as the chair bottom. I like how soft and fluffy the armchair is, and the doll sits well on it. I hope it will serve me well in the future doll photo shoots. Thank you for watching, check my previous videos about doll making, subscribe to my channel if you want more doll content, and have a nice day, bye!